Right guys, so today we are back comparing two more men's wallet, quite unique. This one is from Roggen Hill, green shade and stylish design. This one is from Red Tape, black with cream or white colored stitches, a very classic design. Now let's go ahead and check out the Roggen Hill one. This has the opening is with a button here. We open like this, and then we would see there are those two pockets which are for the notes. There is one zipper as well, which is I think the hidden or the extra pocket here, and 3 card slots, 2 slots here. I think one is for an ID card, then the standard I think flaps where you can keep some extra stuff. This mentions real leather, that is the terminology they have used, real leather. And then interestingly, there is another side zipper. Now this is maybe for extra coins or anything which you want to keep. This is goes in still inside, so this is interesting. A very different design, I must say, because this is how it looks like. This also says RFID safe or protection. There is an extra slot which is again has this ID card, I think, like we have seen in some other purses as well, some other wallets as well, and you would find that there are these 1, 2, 3 and 4 slots for keeping the cards, and then we can close it. So this is the whole look. Okay, now let's compare the other one. This is from Red Tape. They have those 2 slots for the notes. There are these 3 slots for cards, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You would see there is a slot for keeping the other stuff, and this says RFID safe, this says genuine leather. And there is a Red Tape R and T, which is a unique logo which is mentioned here. Now this is I think something which I have not seen in other purses. Then this looks very classy and antique. Rest, as we have seen, this is RFID safe. This mentions genuine leather. There are those 3 slots for the cards, 1, 2, 3. You see a slide for keeping the other stuff. There is the 2 standard pockets for the notes. So this is how it looks like, and nice feel to it. This has more leathery and a more genuine feel. Here if we see with Roggen Hill, it's greenish colored, and this is suede leather, more smooth, as you see, more, I guess, flashy. Again, that's how I'll put it, more flashy. This is more all-weather kind of thing, which is more like looking more classy, and the other one I think more flashy. So rest is all your personal choice and preference, but that is what I see it as. Thank you.